Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic notice writing. First of all, now I am going to tell you about what is the definition of notice writing. Okay. A notice is a publicly display written or printed information of something about to happen. It is a kind of information meant for others to know and follow. Okay. In other words, notice is a medium of getting information of any event. Okay. When we will write notice, then we always remember some main points. These main points are here. The language of notice should be impersonal. When we will write notice, then we should write notice in an impersonal language. Okay. It should be written in the third person. Always try to write notice in the third person. First and second persons pronouns like I and you should never be used. First and second persons we should try not to use in the content of notice writing. Okay. The notice must be put in a box. The notice must be put in a box. After completion of notice, we should make a box. Okay. It must contain complete information. When we will write notice, notice should give all relevant information. The purpose of notice must be made very clear. It should carry all necessary information. Example, for a meeting, the time, venue, date and agenda. When we will write notice, then we should give all relevant information like time, date and venue. The students can choose any of the following ways of writing the date. We can choose this one or we can choose this one. Okay. Unless mentioned in the question, students should write the same date on which they are taking the examination. In this point, I just want to tell you one thing, that we should try to write the same date on which is given in the question. Otherwise, we should write the date on which we are going to give our exam. Okay. It must have a signature and the designation of the signatory. At the end of the notice, from the left side of the page, we should mention signature of the writer and designation of the writer. After just completion of notice, we should make a box. Okay. If you want to take screenshot of this page, then you can take screenshot of this page. Okay. If you want to take screenshot of this page, you can take screenshot of this page. Okay. Now on the second page, there is a format of notice writing. We should follow this structure to make notice in a proper way. Name of the institution. First of all, we should write name of the institution, school or company. Okay, in capital with the black pen. After that, we should mention date. We should mention the date which is given in the question or which is on which date we are going to give our exam. Okay. After that, we should leave one line between date and word notice. We should mention word notice in capital with black pen. After that, we should leave one line between notice and title. we always try to find the title from the question. Always try to mention title in capital with black pen. Okay, leave one line between title and content. We should not write content more than 50 words. We always try to write content in 50 words. When we will write content, then we should give all relevant information like time, date and venue. Always try to write content in third person. We should try to avoid the use of first person. I mean to say that I, we and second person you, your. Okay. When we will write content of notice, then we should use third person. We always try to avoid use of first and second person. Okay. After that, we should mention signature. Suppose you are Rahul, then you should signature in that way, RAHUL. First letter of signature should be in capital, remaining part of signature should be in small form. If signature contain two words like Rahul Yadav, then you should start second word also from the capital letter and remaining part of second word should be in small form. I mean to say that first letter of signature should be in capital and remaining part of signature should be in small form. Okay. After just mention of signature, you should mention designation of the writer. Okay. When you make designation, when you write designation of the writer, after just completion of notice, you should make a box. Okay, in a proper way. Okay. This is the format of notice writing. Start from name of the institution in capital with black pen. After that we should mention date. After that we should mention notice. After that we should mention title, and after that we should write content. We should try to write content in third person, not in first and second person. After just completion of content, leave one line between content and signature. After just completion of content, we should leave one line between content and signature. We should not leave any line between signature and designation. After designation, we should make a box. Okay, that is the format of notice writing. If you want to take screenshot of this, then you can take screenshot of the format of notice writing. Okay. In today's video, I have just told you about the definition of notice writing. Notice is a medium of getting information of any incident. After that, I have told you about some major points how to write notice writing. Okay. After that, we have discussed about the format of notice writing. Okay. In my next video, I will tell you about the new marking scheme of notice writing and with the example of notice writing. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. That's all for today.